Hi everyone, this is Ms. Henson over at Timber Lakes Elementary, and welcome back to another Tech Tip Tuesday. So if you're looking for some resources to include or incorporate into your math lessons, this next video is Ms. Yanez, a wonderful third grade teacher here at Timber Lakes, and she's going to model using Brainingcamp within her classroom. She's going to give you a couple different variations as to how she uses that app within her classroom. Hope you enjoy.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Sandy Yanis. I am a third grade bilingual teacher here at TLE, and I want us to check out a sometimes ignored math manipulative on Brainingcamp. And I am talking about Cuisinart rods. So I love Brainingcamp. It has tons of great math manipulatives that are all amazing. But we're going to look at Cuisinart rods today. The best part for me with using Cuisinart rods here is that I can actually write on top of the Cuisinart rods as I'm modeling, as I'm teaching. And that's not something that I can do with magnetic or the actual Cuisinart rods. So in third grade, we just finished our unit with fractions. So when I'm modeling this, I usually do turn on the grid just so the kids can see the lengths of the rods, and it's easier for them to make those connections, which I also give them a piece of paper to have that as well. So for example, we might say that the dark green rod is the one hole, and they have to explore and determine which rod represents halves. So we're always labeling, making sure that they are understanding that this is a hole, that two light green ones represent halves, and just labeling those on top, and just writing any notes or anything else that would help make the understanding click for our students. What I also love about this is that there's so many other features that this doesn't just have to work with third graders. This can also work with early primary, where the rods have a whole number. And so for example, if I have 10, you can show a 10 and then have the students model how many different ways they can make 10. And honestly, because there are different lengths, you could do this so many ways. But then you're also modeling the equation, so showing them that 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then also, we clear this. Down here, you can also make this decimals. They also have other options that you can use as well. Not looking at letters, but decimals. So for the upper grades, once you're looking at adding and subtracting decimals, this is also a great tool just to be able to use and model together so that your students are grasping these concepts that sometimes can be difficult. So let your students know that they have access to Brainingcamp and ClassLink if they have technology available to them. And there's so many other great math tools to use in there. So it's a great resource for lots of concrete and visual learning, and I hope that y'all enjoy it. Have a blessed day.
And meet us back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.